Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to your bank account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the PrizePicks application. Once you're on the home menu, navigate to the drop-down menu. Here, you will find the Request Withdrawal option. Click on this option to proceed. Before you can withdraw funds, ensure that you have previously deposited money from your bank account. If you have done this, your withdrawal request will be successful. Click on Request Withdrawal and PrizePicks will send you a one-time password code for verification. After entering the OTP, select the amount you wish to withdraw. The funds will be deposited directly into your bank account without any further action needed from you. Keep in mind that there is an eligibility criterion for withdrawals. You must complete a specific playthrough amount before withdrawing funds. If you've deposited money from your bank account, it will go directly back to that account. Once your withdrawal is successful, you will see a confirmation indicating that your amount has been deducted from your PrizePicks account. The money will then appear in your bank account shortly. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from PrizePicks to your bank account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.